One of the most common questions buyers ask is simple: how long does it take to buy a home? The honest answer is that timelines vary, but the process is predictable. Most purchases follow the same core stages: preparation, financing, home search, contract, due diligence, and closing. If you understand what happens at each phase, you can plan realistically, respond faster when needed, and avoid surprises. Even in a predictable process, a few factors influence speed: preparation level, how quickly decisions are made, and responsiveness during inspections and underwriting. The goal isn't rushing, it's moving forward with clarity and confidence so you can buy the right home on terms that work for you. If you want to dig a little deeper, take a look at the blog linked below or check out my Home Buyers series. It'll walk you through each step so you can move forward with confidence.